I move the pawn to e4. I move the knight to c3. I move the knight to d5. I move the bishop to b5. I move the pawn to d3. I move the knight to f4. I capture the pawn. I capture the pawn. I capture the knight. I capture the bishop. I move the knight to d5. I capture the bishop. I move the knight to e2. I move the pawn to f4. I move the rook to f1. I move the pawn to the I capture the pawn. I move the knight to f4. I move the pawn to a3. I move the king to d2. I move the king to c1. I capture the rook. Check. I capture the queen. Check. 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 I capture the pawn. I capture the knight. I capture the rook. Check. Check. I move the queen to e6. I capture the pawn. Check. I move the rook to g7. I move the queen to g6 and checkmate.